All right, so looks like we have a furniture flip for the first DIY. So they're putting some painter's tape on there and then going in with these little wooden sticks. Now this is a really cool project idea. If you do have a lot of drawers, it would definitely take a while to do, but ooh, those came out amazing, very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here we have another DIY that involves some furniture. Now it looks like they might be making either a table or an ottoman for this next one. Right now I'm definitely leaning more towards an ottoman. So they used some cardboard and then some cushion. And then they are using some fabric, looks like muslin. Oh, I like that mustard yellow velvet color. Wow, that is really pretty. Now, unfortunately, I don't have a part 2 to this, but I'm pretty sure that came out amazing. However, I do have part 2 for this coffee table, but I don't have part 1. So yeah, very interesting dynamic here. So it looks like she's making this table for a client. So she's using piping for this, very interesting. Now you could also use contact paper here if you wanted to give it more of that like marble effect. I've seen that done several times. Yeah, see, that's the same thing she just said. Oh, that's beautiful. Very cool. And then we move on to the next DIY. Looks like they have some coasters here. Some very pretty wooden coasters. Gluing them together. I'm gonna guess right now that she's making a candle holder. Yup. Very nice. Now, you could leave this, with a wooden look, or you could spray paint it. Either way, I think it's pretty. Alright, so we have some see-through containers here, some pasta. So they must be using these as like just decor pieces. I've never seen this before. These boxes are really pretty. It's just a nice little like aesthetic way to decorate with your pasta. I think that's cute. I would leave these on the countertop. They're too pretty to put in the pantry. Alright, so we have some type of frame here. I like her nail color. It's like a really pretty like olive shade. That's perfect for the fall season. It looks like she's just kind of placing the items on the photo frame. Kind of doing like a scrapbook look. This would be a good way, so you know how like affirmations is really in. This would be a cute way to frame like your favorite affirmation and just like put it up in your bedroom. Or you could even do like a vision board kind of thing and frame it. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we have a big piece of wood here. Cutting off several different pieces. Oh wow, they framed it against a black background. Wow, that is beautiful. I love the outdoorsy feel to it. Very interesting artwork piece. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.